In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a video to your presentation, which is a great way to make your slides more engaging and dynamic. Incorporating video can really enhance your message, making it more memorable for your audience. So, let's get started and walk through this process together. First things first, open the presentation in which you want to insert your video. Once there, navigate to the specific slide where you envision the video playing. It's helpful to have an idea of the content flow to ensure the video complements your presentation effectively. Now, with your slide selected, direct your attention to the top menu. You'll see an array of options, and what you want to do is click on Insert. From the drop-down menu that appears, you should select the Video option. Once you click on Video, you'll see a dialog box pop up with several intriguing options tailored to your needs. If you're looking for a YouTube video but don't have a specific link in mind, you can use the search option. Simply type in relevant keywords to find the perfect YouTube video that matches your topic. For those who already have a particular YouTube video in mind, copy the URL and paste it in the By URL field. This is a quick and efficient way to find exactly what you're looking for without sifting through search results. Alternatively, if your video is stored on your Google Drive or has been shared with you there, you can select it directly from that location. This is particularly handy for personal or less publicly available content. Once you've made your choice, click on Select. This action will place the video right onto your selected slide, and you'll see it appear instantly. Resizing and repositioning your video is a breeze. Just click on the video and drag the corners to adjust its size to fit your slide layout as you see fit. Similarly, you can reposition it by clicking and dragging the entire video to where you think it looks best. Just imagine you're working with an image or a text box. Same rules apply. To fine-tune how the video plays, select it once more. Go to the toolbar and find Format Options, or simply right-click the video and select Format Options. This section holds a treasure trove of settings you can manipulate. Under the Video Playback category, you'll find choices to set specific start and end times, which is especially useful if you only want to show a segment of the video. You can also decide if you want the video to autoplay when you present the slide, and there's an option to mute the audio if necessary. These customizations allow you to tailor the viewing experience precisely to your presentation's needs. And there you have it. With these steps, you seamlessly integrate videos into your slides, elevating your presentation to a whole new level. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your next presentation not just informative but also captivating.